do this. 2 minutes. I'm feeling the energy. I'm feeling pumped. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I'm a third year computer science and Master of Management student at the University of British Columbia. I think you guys know that by now. But anyways, welcome back to this series of the 5 ways that you can invest in under 2 minutes. I'm going to try and stick with the time again. We'll see how it goes, but I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling the energy. I had my coffee. I feel like I can tackle this time. Let's go. But before we do get started again, go check out my Instagram down below. I recently got much more into photography and I feel like my picture quality is getting up there, you know, slowly but surely. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. And now, let's get started with talking about collectibles. Let's put those 2 minutes on the clock. Whoop. And let's get started. So what are collectibles? Collectibles are antiques, for example, or anything that you're trying to sell for a profit in the future. Usually that is antiques because they increase in value, like for example stamps or cutlery, certain types of art, statues, any antique really. And with these collectibles, you're trying to sell them for a profit in the future. What are the reasons that you might be able to sell them for a profit in the future? Well, they could become more desirable simply because the demand for that certain object that you have, that certain collectible that you have, increases. Maybe you have like a really rare painting or a really rare stamp, for example, and demand is just so high that you can actually make a profit on that. Another reason why you might be able to sell it for a profit in the future is that people are actually willing to pay more. And in addition to that, if you combine that with inflation, which basically means that people can purchase less for their money, they will have to pay more for your item compared to what you had to pay. So again, this is another way that you can make a profit by selling your collectible. However, since these are often older artifacts or antiques, there's kind of a balance or a kind of game that's being played between the increasing value of your collectible and the kind of deterioration of your collectible, where you really need to take good care in order to balance those two things, preferably with the increased value being higher than the deterioration of your actual item. So you want to keep those collectibles in a good condition and, you know, snuggle them, stroke them, keep them clean and dry. Once again, I think I did pretty well with the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys found it helpful or informative in any way, shape or form, leave a like, comment down below if you're interested in collectibles, if you are a collector, if so, what you collect. I'm curious, and I feel like that's a really kind of cool form of investment because it's quite niche and unique. Yeah, if you guys know anyone that might be interested in this video, go and hit that share button, and take care, and I'll see you soon.